When I first became a machinist, it really interested me. Making a lot of different parts on a lot of different machines, so it was something I'd go home and talk about a lot. And I think he didn't quite understand what I was talking about, so he kind of wanted to see it for himself. And when he shadowed, it was one Saturday, and you could just see that he was very interested, just like I was at first, in, you know, the machining and what you get to make, you know, who it's for, how it's used, different things like that. And I think he's really caught on since then and kind of fell down the rabbit hole of machining.
So I have a brother named William Conn, and he'd always used to come home and try and tell me what he did, and I'd always be lost. But I was still curious. That's just how I am. And so then one day I was offered to come job shadow for him. And so once I came in one Saturday morning, it all kind of clicked that this is what I want to do.
Have you already surpassed his skill?
No, sir, not close.
So
maybe one day.